welcome back to my channel Cooking with Chrissy and Kevin. Today I'm going to share with you guys my doubles recipe for Bara and Channa. So before we get started, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and please like this video. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you how I knead my doubles flour. I'll leave the measurements for this dough in the description box below. So to this you want to add 1 tablespoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, the sugar is going to help it keep soft and nice, so you don't need to add any baking powder or any baking soda or anything like that to this. Okay, so now you want to combine this together. Now you want to add water. You want to form a really soft dough. Want the dough to be. You want to give this a little knead. Oil, and you're kneading this into your dough. Some more oil, just sap it onto the dough and leave it to sit for about 3 hours, but I'm only gonna leave mine for an hour. If you're making this ahead of time, you can leave it for 3 hours for the dough to soak. Okay guys, so here we have our Channa. Going to add it to the pot now and add some water to boil it. And to this we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay guys, so you want to leave this channa to boil until soft, and then I'll show you how we season it up. Okay guys, so 45 minutes has gone since we put the channa up to boil. So I'm just gonna check a grain and see if it's soft. Okay guys, so it's not quite at the stage where I want it yet. So I'm gonna leave it for a little 10 minutes again, and I'll show you guys when I'm gonna check it again. Okay guys, so our dough is ready. So I'm just gonna break it into smaller pieces and leave it once again to double in size, and then it will be time to stretch out and fry. Okay guys, so on an oil surface you're gonna break out little dough pieces of dough and place it onto the oil surface. Okay guys, so I'm finished breaking out my little pieces of dough. So I got 8 doubles from that amount of flour. So I'm gonna leave it to double in size, and when it's finished doubling in size I'll show you guys what it looks like, and it will be ready to fry. Okay guys, so now it's time to season our channa. Our channa is nice and soft, so we're going to add some anchor masala, green seasoning, and salt. I'm gonna give it a little mix now. If you have some fresh celery as well, you can add it in. It really gives the channa a nice flavor as well too. Channa smells so good. And there's our doubles Channa. Okay, so now our Channa is finished. Now it's time to stretch out our baras and put them to fry. Okay, so my pot is nice and hot. I'm gonna add my oil to the pot. I'm just adding just enough to fry my baras. You wanna let this oil get really hot till it's at, you see smoke start to come out of it, and then you can start to stretch your baras and throw them to fry. If you throw them when you think the oil is like, you see the bubbles and you think the oil is really hot, it's not at the point where you need it to fry the baras. If you throw it there and then, it will just get oil soaked, and you don't want that. So you're gonna leave this till you see smoke starts to come out of it. Okay guys, so our oil is nice and smoking hot, so time to stretch out the bara. As it shows, you just want to flip and take it out. You want to keep your surface clean, keep wiping out the extra dough that sticks onto your surface while it's stretching, so you wouldn't end up in any problems. I like my baras a little golden brown color. Okay guys, so our bara is finished frying. See how nice and soft it is. Here's all of the sauce we're gonna have it with. We have some roasted pepper, some cucumber, some hot pepper sauce, and some mango sweet sauce. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I like to eat my doubles. Okay guys, so this is my homemade doubles. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a thumbs up, and thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye.